अस्सलाम वालेकुम, दिस इज सिविल टेक इन्फो एंड आज की इस वीडियो में ये 3 पॉइंट्स कवर करूँगा। हाउ टू सिंक अ फोर्क रेपोजिटरी एंड हाउ टू सिंक एडिटेड फोर्क रेपोजिटरी एंड द लास्ट वन हाउ टू डिलीट अ रेपोजिटरी फ्रॉम गिटहब। And you can follow these steps in your mobile or laptop. You just have to open your browser. Also, you must have a GitHub account to follow these steps. Click on this search bar and search Suhail Md here. Long press on the first URL, then click on open a new tab. After that, you must have to enable your desktop site in your browser. Enable it. Here you will see in right side corner, click on the star button, then click on this fork button. Here no available destination to the fork repository because I'm already created a fork. Just open this link. Now click this sync fork button. Here you will see this sync fork and click on this update branch. And now you have completed your first steps. The first step is completed, how to sync a fork repository, and the next step, how to sync edited fork repository. Just follow these steps. Open your browser, long press on first URL after searching Suhail Md, open a new tab, same steps as previous. Click on this star button, click on this fork button. After that, click on this URL because I'm already created a fork. Here you will see this sync fork button. Click on it, and now here are two buttons: Discord 3 comments and update branch. You can also use update branch, but the better choice is use the Discord commit. Now you will see your code is updated from the main repository. And the second step also completed. Now the last step, how to delete a repository from GitHub. Go to your repository. Let's suppose I want to delete this repository that I forked from Suhail Md. Click on the setting button. Here you will see the settings. Click on it. After that, scroll up. Here you will see a button for delete this repository. Click on it. I want to delete this repository. Click on this button. I have read and understood these effects. Click on this button. Here you to confirm type, copy this name and paste it here just like this and delete this repository. Now the repository is deleted from your GitHub account. And the last step also completed. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.